Alright, so this is testing the new drive. Of course, I think it needs a little tweaking yet as far as the PID goes. But here's at the lowest speed, right? So I'm taking maybe probably about 100 thousandths aside. So that's me kind of pushing as hard as I can without feeling like I'm going to break something. You know, you'd never be cutting like this. So I can show you here. There's, yeah, it's probably over 100 thousandths aside. So yeah, I think it's torquey enough, and that's at the lowest I can run it without it stopping. So now if I speed it up a little. Yeah, that's about as hard as I can push it with the camera here. So yeah, I think that's going to work just fine. More than enough torque for anything I'm going to do. So talk to you guys later.